Hello everyone, good morning. This is Sneha. Today my seminar topic on variants of Turing machine. Now we are going to discuss about these topics: introduction, what is Turing machine, types of Turing machine, and conclusion. We are already know that what is automata. It is nothing but abstract model. It doesn't execute it physically. There are four types of automata: finite automata, push-down automata, linear bonded automata, Turing machine. Now I would like to explain Turing machine. Introduction. Turing machine introduced by Alan Turing in 1936. They are fundamental in the study of computability theory and formal languages. Turing machine have unrestricted grammar and unrestricted language. What is Turing machine? We can say abstract model of computer. A Turing machine consists of a tape divided into cells, a read write head that can move left or right along the tape, and a finite set of states. At each step, the machine reads the symbol on the tape under the head, consults a transition function to determine the next action based on the current state and symbol, and then updates the state and possibly writes a new symbol to the tape. And also whatever Turing machine can do, our computer will also able to perform those operations. The Turing machine not able to solve those calculations is any problem, our computer will also not able to solve that problem. Types of Turing machine. Turing machines can simulate any algorithmic process, making them a powerful tool for understanding the limits of computation. They come in various variants, each with different capabilities. We have seven types of Turing machine, such as two-way infinite tape Turing machine, multi-tape, non-deterministic, multi-dimensional, multi-head, offline, multi-track Turing machine. These variants allow researchers to explore different aspects of computation and language recognition. Let's see two-way infinite tape Turing machine. In this Turing machine, tape is infinite at the left hand side as well as at the right hand side. Here we can see in this picture infinite number of block symbols at both sides, so we can store the infinite number of block symbols at right and left hand side. It have the one read write head and one finite control. Next, multi-tape Turing machine. It can have multiple tapes instead of single tape. Here we can see the tapes are infinite number of tapes, and the tape is infinite at the right hand side as well as left hand side also. It can have the only one finite controller and three read write heads, because here three tapes, and we can move the read write head at right side or left side. Next, non-deterministic Turing machine. Instead of one choice, we can have multiple choices. Multi-dimensional Turing machine. Instead of one dimension, it have the multi-dimensions. Here we can see it can have only one finite control and one read-write head. Read-write head can move towards the right, left, and up, down sides. Multi-head Turing machine. Instead of one read write head, we can have multiple read write heads. Here we can see, and it have one finite control and one input tape. It can move right side read. It can move read write head at right or left sides. Offline Turing machine. It is also similar to multi-tape Turing machine. It can have multiple tapes. Here we can see uh, it have two read write heads and one finite control. In offline Turing machine means we can do only, it is a read only tape. We can do read operation only, modification can do in another tape. Multi-track Turing machine. It can have only one input tape, but tape can be divided into number of tracks. Here we can see in this picture, track 1 contains one input string, another track contains the another input string. Finite control, only one finite control, it having the one finite control, and it points to only one column. In conclusion, the Turing machine is a basic model of computation, and it is like a simple computer. It consists of a tape, a head, and a set of rules. It can simulate any algorithmic process, showcasing the theoretical limits of computation, and it helps understand what computers can do. Thank you.